So so I dey come o okay small no be small thing. So na good morning my people. So how una dey? I hope una dey okay so me now I wan do my breakfast, okay? So happy Sunday to everybody so I wan do my breakfast this morning after when I don do my sports, okay? So I get my tea here, excuse me. I get my tea, okay, my tea dey here, okay? So I get my sugar, so the sugar when we say yes, e no too sweet, okay my people, okay? At least you go put about 3 or 2, it's okay. So me I put 3, I be 4. Me I like sugar. So and this very sugar, e no go make you get body. Okay? So so this sugar no go let you get body, okay? So e dey very nice, and if you dey for diet, e dey very good my people, okay? E good make we dey always make we no dey too much dey eat sugar, okay? So na be this one. So I get my tea here. So my tea don ready. When I take the do the camera, so the tea sef e don wash inside, but e no mean we still drink am. So this na my milk, okay? This na the milk when I normally drink my people, because I no dey drink anyhow milk because e dey disturb me for stomach. So this very one, when you just take this one with your tea, so you don dey okay, e no go disturb you for belle, okay? You know some milk dey wey be say yes, when you go take am, you no dey digest. So this particular one na I dey take, and na doctor na even write am for me, okay? So na so my people, and you know, make I test the tea. It's okay, sugar no dey well, okay? So now, as I don finish my sport, I know say yes, every morning I dey do sports, every morning I dey do. Now when holiday don almost finish, so I have to do my sport every day. Sometimes I will put am for media, sometimes I will just still do am without, I no just put am, I just do am like that, because na my own, I dey do am for myself, make I no carry the weight, my people, okay? And today, you know say every morning, so after my sport, I dey take that one. I don do my sport finish. Today I no quick take my breakfast because of things when I still dey do, and the sport and all, dey always take time. So today when we say yes, I don do the sport finish, now I wan take my breakfast. I suppose to take 4. Now see this biscuit, so I suppose to take 4 for this, but since time don go, can I look the time after 10, I no go fit take all of them, because if I take am now, I no go feel hungry later, because e good make I eat later. The time when I take dey eat 12:30, I must eat that time, because I no wan go eat maybe 2 o'clock or 2:30. So that time the food no go dey regular with as I take dey follow my sport, my people, okay? So today I will eat only 2, okay? But this one I be keep am for my dog before, okay? And na 4 every morning, na 4 I dey take. But today I will take 2. 2 is okay for me for today. The rest I will keep am for inside where we dey keep something. But this one I will still give my dog this one. So make I break am here. Now that one na for my dog. So this one will keep am for inside the glass there, okay? So na so my people, make we just take the tea, so that may not come be 12 o'clock before I come take my breakfast, okay? Oh, na so I don't do this breakfast several times for YouTube. But e good make I always dey remember una say yes, breakfast dey very good, okay? So na see my dog Emma dey here. I hope una go see am when they make a dey here. So na so my people. So I say make I just share with you now my breakfast. Okay. Make we just eat together. Today na Sunday, okay? And so my people. So last time. Okay, this one, my people, I will keep on here because I know they take am again. Okay, the other one now. So as I was saying, my people, I don't go waste time because yes, I see make I just share with you now my breakfast. They very important, my people. Make you always they take your breakfast, okay? So before you go out, maybe if you dey go work, you know, maybe you know go fit get time take the breakfast, but try make you eat something for belle because it dey very important for morning to go out. You don't eat anything, you know, dey nice, okay? If na ordinary tea you make, just drink am with biscuit, it's okay. Like me now, okay? This na my tea when I dey always take every morning, okay? I no dey take cafe, I no take cappuccino, I only take my tea, okay? And one thing, you see this tangerine when e still dey here, so maybe you don't want eat anything like biscuit or somehow, just take your fruit. Always eat your food. It dey very important, okay? Because when you take your food, you dey eat your food, it will help you for the system, for your belly. That is, if you want, that is, you know, say sometimes it dey add some people to go so all this food when you dey eat, it dey very nice for body and it dey give energy. Not be energy, vitamin. Vitamin I dey give, because and if you dey for diet, it go make you dey eat fruit because it will help you a lot, okay? Like this very one now, because the more you dey eat the fruit, not be say you go eat am exaggerate or maybe you go come eat am well. No, okay? If na only one you fit take, it's okay. If na this thing you want eat, I dey come, I dey come. Okay. And I still get yogurt for you, okay? If you dey for diet, maybe you don't know what you want eat, okay? Maybe you don't eat your light food, you don't eat even na pounded yam o, na eba o, na rice o, but always eat am small, okay? Maybe when you don't dey hungry later, if you take your yogurt, okay? Eat your yogurt. When you take one yogurt, it's okay. In the evening, maybe before 7 or 8, you eat because make you not too much get that weight, okay? That's why you see my mango for here. This is my mango, okay? Maybe later, before I go eat now, later I will do small video of this one. I'm gonna just see and the way I take prepare. I know say they're very easy to prepare, but I'm gonna always remember to eat fruit. They're very important, okay? Fruit is very important, my people, for your body. Maybe you don't go know, but for inside your body, you don't know the kind of work one food they do for body. So make una eat una fruit, and you got one and do una sport, okay? My people, this is my own my breakfast this morning, and my yogurt, okay? This now waiting I dey take for the day, okay? All since now they take for the day. Maybe as I don't take this one now, maybe later when I don't eat, I fit take yogurt. And this yogurt so e good for body. They make person they always they go okay the particular the exactly one when I get for here. I not fit show na the name because it go be like say they do avoid for them. But this one when they yes so when you go eat and it go make you they go toilet. They make you if your belly maybe sometimes when person they eat your belly will big, so it will make your belly still less down a little bit. Okay, so now so my people. Now know this one, Mona go buy it, okay? It dey very good. And those when you know they eat sugar, even though self you know if na sugar cane, sugar it still dey okay. So Mona just take Mona dey take breakfast every morning. It dey very nice, my people. Okay, you see, I'm not say I not eat a lot of things because I make my breakfast late. So and they come. So as I made the breakfast late, so I no go fit eat anything when we say yes, it's too much. When we say you no go let me eat later, so I no fit eat like that. I need to eat some small thing, at least make small thing just enter my belly before I go make any food when I want make later. Okay, so now so my people, so I greet everybody happy Sunday, and Mona take care of myself. We'll see again, and maybe I still get other thing when I want prepare. Make I show now because God will bless you now. So Mona subscribe for my YouTube channel, Not Solo Africa Cucina. And Mona still like my page, Not Solo Africa Cucina, my Facebook page. Mona follow Mama for there. So God will bless all of you now. As soon as they do it, not be me they do it for now. God they do it for. So God will bless you now, and God will bless you now every day by day. So when I come still receive for the blessing, okay? God will bless every one of you now when we say yes. It is sustain Mama. Mona not look what it day here because now we are just they load my water. They load everything for here. Mona not look that place. Mona not look there. Mona look me. Make I cover up. For them, I know they see anything, but this always they just day up when you make bars, so they just they see everything, but it they okay. The most important thing make the house they okay, make it neat. Now that one they important, okay? So now so my people, so Mona subscribe for my YouTube channel. So my name now Chef Love It, okay? God will bless all of you now, okay? Mona see follow me for my Instagram, Mona follow me for Facebook. See they happen for Facebook because me I dey do one for them. I see they share my food. I see they because now food I they cook. Okay. So God will bless everybody. So happy Sunday, my beautiful family, my beautiful people, my beautiful fans. Okay. Now bye bye. So I will see you in our next video when I want to. Don't worry. Many to read it, but I know the gossip. I no gossip, but waiting I they do now food I they cook and other things. Okay. I don't want gossip and one thing, I don't want quarrel. I only want to do what I sabi do. Okay, that is my passion. Okay, the food and other things when I the sport when I do, that is my passion. So that is what I like to do. Okay, so I greet everybody. Ciao. So bye bye.